A very good day, my dear student. Today we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 7, that is tablets and electronic readers. Let's see. So students, in this chapter we'll learn regarding tablet computer, history of tablet computer, uses of tablet computer, advantages and disadvantages of using tablet computers in a classroom, and e-readers. Let us see. Like Rajat used a tablet computer to learn to play a guitar during his free time. List any two reasons for using a tablet. Why we use tablet? So tablet is a very handy personal computer with a portable operating system. It is widely used as its weight is less and is smaller in size when compared to a personal desktop or a laptop computer, and has a rechargeable battery, right? So few tablets have a detachable or fold out keyboard, while some others have only touchscreen as an input devices. Okay, we can have the example of tablet with our phone we are using. Okay, because it is very handy, so we use what tablet or mobiles, right? So history of tablet computer. In 1970, Alan Kay invented what the concept of personal computer called Kiddicom, specially designed for children of all ages and named as what Dynabook at the ACM Nation. This had the early development elements of graphic user interface, and the software was based on programming called Smart Talk. Okay, though the prototype of your Diana book was released, it was not commercially manufactured because the undeveloped technology to support it in early 1970. As the technology advanced, the Dynabook was commercially made available to public by Apple Incorporation, built into the Lisa and Macintosh computers. Further developments in the fields have given rise to the personal tablet. So from where it has been developed, who have developed Alan Kay in 1970, and was named as what? Dynabook, and it was based on which programming language? Smart Talk, right? So this gives children the access to the digital world, and the software used in the current tablet is what? CMMS. What was the software used in that current tablets? Computerized maintenance management system. So see, here is the picture of Alan Kay, who is the inventor of what? Personal computer, and prototype of Dynabook, how it was looking like in 1970. Okay, so now uses of tablet computer. There are various uses of tablet computer. Why use tablet computer? Like for the students, we use technology in a classroom in a current trend in the education sector. Like iPad is a very popular tablet computer from Apple Incorporation. It is widely used in many educational institutes, and it is also called as what? Slate computer, right? We are writing something in slate, no? So in computer is so tablet is known as what? Slate computer, which is based on what? Touch screen. iPad is used for browsing the web, reading, sending email, uploading and downloading images, pictures, audio, video, reading ebook. So the iPad mini and iPad 2 are the first two generations of what? iPad. What are the first two generation? iPad mini and iPad 2. There are various advantages and disadvantages of using tablet computer in a classroom. Like advantages, first, using tablet computer for learning purposes ensure that every students get immediate feedback and one-to-one attention with full class participation. Next one is conceptual learning is simplified with effective learning and retention for the same. Reading, writing and annotating are done without the use of paper. Student and teacher can upload and download files as well as transfer document. The completion, valuation and feedback of learning events consume less time and effort. Resources are available in shared folders for references. Now, if it has some advantage, so it will surely have some disadvantage as well. Like more application are necessary for various type of data management. Slow or disconnect internet connectivity or Wi-Fi issues can ruin a class or affect learning. Students get easily distracted with games, message or other application while using tablet computer. Battery life and rechargeable points is one of the major concerns. Some concepts are available only in textbook and not all information is available on internet. It is expensive as compared to the printed material. So might be some advantages and disadvantages you might have felt through this pandemic, right students? Now e-reader. E-reader is what? It is an electronic device that is used for reading digital ebooks, okay, and periodicals. And e-reader is also called e-reader book or ebook. The example I can give, like Kindle. Okay, so the device displays the text and images on its screen. The advantages of an ebook is that it can store many books and weigh less than when compared to the paper book using internet or Wi-Fi. um, like there is some differences between the e-reader and a computer. Like e-reader is what better readable when compared to tablet computers, and in tablet poor readability when compared to e-reader. Longer battery life, which lasts for you to a week, and battery life lasts from a few hours to a couple of days. No distractible applications are here in e-reader, but in tablet there are many other applications which distract you while you are using the mobile application. Then also you get distracted while taking the classes, no students. So next is history of e-readers. There are various history, like in 2006 Sony reader has been developed. This was the invention of electronic paper by E-Ink Corporation. It had a display screen with no background light. Next, 2007 Amazon Kindle has been displayed. The inbuilt LED light automatically adjusts the light of visibility and real paper like reading experience. These devices were marketed by Amazon. Next is 2009 Sony's portable reader system has been developed. In this device supports document in PDF, JPG, or BRE book formats. More than one user could use the same device, which uses the marketed by Sony company. 2010 Barnes and Noble notebook has been developed. This was based on Android platform, open source software to be used for smartphones, tablet computer, LCD color touchscreen by Barnes and Noble. And in 2010 Apple's iPad has been developed. Apple Inc. developed, designed and marketed iPad and iOS mobile operating system. So this is all about your chapter, that is tablets and electronic readers. Thank you, students.